Welcome back. We are now inside of our Amazon S3 area, and in order to create a website, the very first thing that we need to do is we need to create a bucket and then configure it for a website. So what we're going to do is we're going to click this Create Bucket, and we're going to give this bucket a name. Once we do that, then we're going to click Next. In this case, we're going to enable server access logging, and then we're going to click Next. We're going to leave these default settings, and then we're going to click Next. Once we've completed this, we're then going to click Create Bucket. We're now going to open up that bucket, and then we're going to click Properties. When we do that, we're then going to click Static Website Hosting. We're now going to enable Static Website Hosting. For our index document, we're going to write in index.html. Once we do that, we're then going to click Save, and then we're going to make sure to copy down the endpoint. Now that we have our endpoint, we are now complete with the first step of the process. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.